Okay guys, I'm home from school as you can see, and I got the goodies. Okay everyone, I'm going to be unboxing something and you won't know until I actually open the box, sadly, but I need to go grab a knife to open this, so let's go. Okay guys, I'm back with a sharp object. I repeat, a sharp object that kids should probably not be playing with. And I'm just gonna open this. So here, I know you can't see me. I'll just put it like, hang on. Let me just wait 1 second while I figure out the order. Okay guys, I decided this is the best way you could see it. So we're just gonna go here and we're gonna cut. Oh my god, I'm bad at this. Sorry guys. Oh my god, why can't I? Sorry, I'm very sorry for this. I'm sorry you guys have to watch this. Okay, time to see what it was. And I was so excited to show you guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And it was... Hang on. Sorry. I'm very bad at unboxing. It is the new MetaQuest 3. That's what I'm unboxing. And as you know, I just did a specific, really good unboxing for this. And I can't wait to try it on. I can't wait to use it. I'm going to get the case out because it came with a case too, which was amazing. I got this at Costco, but they're like really expensive. I'll put the money down here. They're like really expensive, so yeah. Gonna get this open if I can. And yeah, I also know that when you're like in airplanes and stuff, you can use it, which is really good because I do like to travel. So whenever I do, I will like using that. It might become handy dandy, you know, handy dandy. Okay, why can't I open this thing? Sorry, I'm very bad at unboxing, guys. It's like, yeah. Okay, well, just hang on 1 second while I get this off. Okay, guys, I got it off. Let's open it. Can you open this? Oh my god. What is wrong with me? Okay, where's the handle? Where's the handle? I need to find the handle for this. Found it. Okay, as you can clearly see, I think the headset goes here, and then the 2 controllers go in here, obviously. Or else, what else would it be for? Face masks, maybe? If you didn't know what it was for, obviously. But yeah, it's gonna be for MetaQuest 3. I'm just gonna get the instructions on how to use this out. Oh, and you have a spot for your charger. That's a good idea. That's why people always need instructions, okay? Even if they're not dumb. Sometimes they do. Okay. Now it's time for the official unboxing of this thing. So yeah. Okay, guys. Let's do the satisfying pull. Open. Okay, let's open this. Yeah. Okay. Now the other side. Ready? Aw, yeah, that's the satisfying we need. It's almost like an ASMR, but like, I'm not gonna put ASMR in the title because, I mean the thumbnail, because like, why would I, you know? Also, with this, you get a free game, but like, I think, I heard someone else on YouTube say this, but I think what it is with the free game, you get it for free a little bit, for like a certain amount of time, and then you have to start paying money for it, I think, or you just get it for free. Either or, I get the game for at least a little bit. So yeah. Oh, and I didn't. It was like organized for like a little pull tab where you have to pull it to show the quest, but sadly, it opened right before I could. Well, here's my close to what satisfying pull tab pull. And here it is. Oh my god, I love this. Oh, and it feels so soft. It feels so soft. Oh my god, why does it feel so soft? Well, guys, here's... Oh, and it's the SE, not the original. It's the SE. Well, I can't wait to see what this does. Apparently, there's advantages and disadvantages to this. So, I can't wait for this. Also, I'm gonna take out these stickers from the lenses. Okay, I'll put it on after I show you guys the cool controller. Okay, wow, look. And it feels so normal to just click this. Like, it feels like so normal to just be like clicking it all the time. Also, there's pull tabs on this, so I could still be at least a little bit satisfying. You know what? That works. But let me show you what else came in it. So there's obviously a charger, but it's not any normal charger. Hang on. Why am I not satisfying the day I need to be satisfying? I don't know, guys. Okay. Well, this was a huge fail of satisfying. But there's this new charging cable, circle, where it used to be a square and now it's a circle, which I don't know why they did it, but it was something. Okay, here's something satisfying to look at. Wow, that was so satisfying to look at. I hope you guys saw it. You guys probably did see it. But that was so satisfying. So yeah, I can't wait for this. This is honestly amazing. Also, here's the charger. I'm going to take it out. The wire for the charger. So, here's the wire. Honestly, looks like a normal wire. Yeah, I don't think there's any changes to this wire. And yeah. Also, there's this thing. So if you're wearing glasses, I saw this online. If you're wearing glasses, it like makes it so then you can still wear it with your glasses on, which is kind of handy dandy. So you don't have to buy like new lenses to put on this like magnetized or anything because you can't wear your glasses. Because this kind of like helps you like wear it with glasses on, which I have glasses as you can clearly see, so this is handy for me. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the controller satisfying peel out. Hopefully this is satisfying like I see online, but yeah, let's try. Yeah, that was a little bit hard, but it was satisfying for me. I hope you guys think it was satisfying. Okay, let's do the next one. Ah, yeah, that was a little harder one, but that's fine. Also, when the little things came out, these like started flashing at the top, which I don't know what happened there, but look, they're like flashing at the top when I press something. The little circles. But I guess we'll find out what that means, won't we? So guys, I'm not editing anything here. This is the real Seal and Deal from Costco. So yeah, I'm seriously not editing any of this. So if like any of this you think is like wrong or it didn't happen with yours, trust me, I totally did not edit this. But if I was being a little bit weird, I might edit those tiny things out. But I'm not editing any of the rest. This is like an honest reaction. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this back together. So yeah. I'll go put this inside. Okay, this is honestly amazing. I can't believe I actually have it right here with me. Honestly, I thought it was going to be a little bit different with the controllers and everything, but that's fine. I like how it is now. Just going to put this on side. Okay, I'll put the charger in here because I don't think we need the charger. I don't think anything comes uncharged. And also they have batteries, so yeah. But like if the thing's uncharged, so I'll probably charge it and then show you guys what it means. I should probably learn how to put it like game and then put it on the side, but I might need to learn how to play more, like learn online. So yeah, that'll be it for this one. When I find out, I'll make another video and I promise I'll post it. But for right now, I don't know how to, so it was just the unboxing for now. But yeah, let me put this on, the chargers in, and yeah, that was it. Oh my god, why am I so bad at this? Honestly, I can't even get a charger in. Okay, finally. Okay guys, that was it. Sorry you guys had to go through that all, but that was it for my, we got the controllers, we got the case with the charger inside that I finally got to get inside. And we got the real Seal and Deal right here. And as you can see, we've got apparently this is like really soft. Oh yeah, it does feel soft. And then we got the adjustable lenses that I probably shouldn't be touching with my fingers, but you know what? That's fine. I'll clean it later. And then we got this thing that's adjustable for it. Okay guys, that was it for my unboxing, and I can't wait to show my brother, Jack. I can't wait to show him this. This is going to be absolutely amazing, and I might record his reaction and then post this video. So stay tuned for that if I even put the reaction in, but I probably will, so